Now, for horizontal stretch and shrink, you may want to put yourself a big star next to it. Okay, anything horizontal, it seems to be a little bit problematic or challenging. The reason why this is challenging is because it is not as straightforward as it's going to be. So, and on the upper corner, also want you to write down 1/b, just to put it under your radar. Okay, we have horizontal stretch or shrink, and also put down 1/b. We are going to see the b value, and we are also going to see, or to write down 1/b. So, for example, this one, you see the 2 right here? That's your b value. What's the reciprocal of 2? Not negative, just 1/2. And why do we need this 1/2? Because when we describe the horizontal shrink or stretch, that's a number that we're going to use. So for this one, we will say, oh, because it's 1/2, we're going to say this is a horizontal shrink by a factor of 1/2. Horizontal shrink by a factor of 1/2. So whenever you see a number b right here, it's always going to change to the reciprocal. So next one, if it is, well, if it's 2 right here, also you have a 1/2 number, but then there's a negative here as well. So we got 2 things going on for the second graph here on this page. So first, you have a reflection over the y-axis, but it's already symmetrical to the y-axis, so you don't really see anything new. Later on in the school year, we will see something better, new. And then we have a horizontal shrink by a factor of 1/2. Okay, so where does the 1/2 come from? You should ask, what is that? Where do you get the 1/2? The 2. You change the reciprocal to 1/2. So if it's a 3, what do you do? 3 becomes 1/3. So 1/3, it's a number that's less than 1, then we say it's a horizontal shrink by a factor of 1/3. Yeah. Okay. 1/3. And then if it's 1/2 right here, well, 1/2, what's the reciprocal of 1/2? 2. So then we say it is a horizontal stretch by a factor of 2. So again, bigger than 1 is a stretch. Fraction less than 1 is a shrink. Okay. So that's a little pattern, just a little exposure that I want to show. I want you to show yourself. I want you to be able to graph, because we're going to graph quite a lot this school year.